tosser. Oh, a little bit wide out here. Luke has just gone sideways. Right, good morning. You joined me late. I'm running late. We're on our way to Castle Combe for a track day. And I'm running really, really late. Classic. I'll fill you in the car. Right, this is the update. We've picked up Jan. We are about, I don't know, 5 minutes from Castle Combe. We're here for VGS's track day. This is my first actual track day, so a little bit nervous, but mostly excited. We're currently following Luke and his super loud Golf.
Which the exhaust is falling off, it looks like.
Yeah, it does do that. But yeah, excited. There's going to be hopefully a lot of cool cars there. We're going to get a fair amount of track time if the car holds. We've got the new intake on, so hopefully heat soak isn't as bad now and can just hold a bit more power. But we're going to find out really. But yeah, cut to us at Castle Combe and cool cars.
Whee! Hi guys, it's Nicole.
Hi guys.
We're noise testing. Shouldn't be a problem.
My car's not loud enough.
I need help.
You need a lot of things.
Help being one of them.
Professional help.
Maybe we should have just...
Ah! Morning. Morning, how's it going?
Just about to, thank you. Steady 4.5 days.
Yeah, I've got a rev limit at 4. Yeah. How good are you with stickers? Oh, it would help if I peeled from the peel here bit, right?
There's no hope. Thank you.
Cheers, thanks. Oh, that's really tight.
He's letting you out on track and you can't even put the wrist
What are
back.
you on about?
I got mine on. Just ignore this bit. Right, we're in.
Shit.
What's happening?
I suppose I might as well just bin it now.
Yeah. Oh, checked in. I'm still waiting for my coffee. It's only been 25 minutes. Well, good. Cool, I suppose we'll just cut some track action.
Should have definitely put the gloves on before I started getting in to go out. But I think we'll get stopped in the pits for a second. I only wear the gloves because my hands get outrageously sweaty. And I don't know why. Oh, we're just going straight on, okay. Right, fuck it. Temp's a good sport mode. I'm gonna leave traction on because it's really wet out there. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of go for it a bit. Let's see. Don't see any cars. Let's go. We're gonna turn early. Probably should have turned a bit later. I am just sliding through here, I'll be honest. I am closing in on Jack though. Oh, a bit too much power there. Just didn't have any traction to follow through with that. Constantly checking mirrors for other cars. Just gonna leave it in fourth here, come off early. Brakes down into third. Turn it through, I can see headlights behind me now. So something is closing in. Brake. Throw it in. Throw it the other way. Easy on the gas, go. Oh, a little bit wide out here. Luke has just gone sideways. Oh, but that was the first couple laps. I don't know how many I did there. About 4 maybe. But yeah, that was the first couple laps at Coombe done. Yeah, sound. It is wet, but like I'm in a front wheel drive car, thankfully, so nothing too outrageous.
Gonna try and say something. Oh, right, don't be lazy. You got it. Nice. Don't be lazy. Go on. Good, Chazza. That was better. That was fucking good.
Fucking tosser.
his fuel line.
Right, that is it. That is the track day done. The car has survived just about. About 2 miles of fuel, so we're going to limp over to a petrol station. But yeah, it's been cool. First track day done and under the belt. A lot of cool things here, a lot of fast things here. Managed to chop a fair bit. A couple of things obviously chopped us. Jan got some laps in, but yeah, on his last lap, we kind of went out. Well, my last session, I went out. Fuel light came on and was like, not a lot left in, so I was like, cool, I'll pit, let him have one more. He was fucking sending it, and then kind of petrol just wasn't really there, so I was having some performance issues. But sick, big shout out to VGS because this has been amazing. Yeah, I think we're gonna stop at a petrol station because I won't be getting very far without one. And yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.